The 10th Mountain Assault Brigade, Warthog UAV unit, and adjacent forces destroyed several pieces of Russian equipment. Among them, a Bukhanka vehicle, a D-20 howitzer, and 2 BMPs. Russian experts on Russian propaganda television expect that Ukraine will launch a new offensive in 6 to 7 days. Now, the Ukrainian side has prepared 3 options where to organize such an offensive. One zone is Bryansk region. The second zone is Zaporizhzhia. And the third, the most difficult for us, is a possible new breakthrough in the Kursk region. Expansion.
I would like to be wrong, but in my opinion, since I can only speculate for now, where in 6 or 7 the Ukrainian offensive will begin, the zonal offensive. What zonal? Zonal. Meaning not frontal, but zonal. And what does that mean? Well, in some specific sector. Right now, the Ukrainian side has prepared 3 options for where to organize such an offensive. Maybe all of this will be on January 2nd. So tentatively, why not the first? On the first, you understand, everyone is on holiday, both us and them. One area is the Bryansk region, the second area is Zaporizhzhia, and third, the most difficult for us, is possibly a new breakthrough through the territory of the Kursk region expansion.
You told us about Bryansk in August, when Kursk happened. You said that in 2 weeks we should expect the same in Bryansk. What should make me believe in your current prediction, considering the previous prediction for Bryansk didn't come true?
The fight for Kurakove is over. Russians have occupied almost all of the city. Geolocated footage confirmed. Russians are now located at the Kurakove TPP entrance and are likely to have moved deeper west. This fight took a huge Russian toll. Barnaul, Russia. Pharaoh nightclub Santa is enthusiastically waving his rod while the crowd revels in the festivities. This, however, infuriated a SMO veteran, perhaps bitter about not being invited, so much so that it almost brings tears to his eyes.
I am sure, right now, we have stirred the blood beneath us, kindled the fire within. Greetings to all. I really cannot understand what is happening with our society. Damn, guys are dying. The course was attacked, damn it. And here in Barnaul, damn it, it's like a feast during a plague. Some bastard is waving a stick. Why isn't he in the trench, damn it? Why isn't he building shelters, damn it? Guys have been there for 3 years and they're just losing it.
Someone who just came back from there, damn it. Someone without arms, without legs, in hospitals, damn it. It's pain, death, groans. We have, damn it, an evening event. It's like a Pharaoh club. I'm in tears, damn it. People wake up, damn it. There's a war going on. Damn his minions, damn it. What kind of madness have they created, damn it?
Hey, maybe Santa likes his Pharaoh nightclub better because of this? Ukrainian Dragon drone literally roasting a Russian hideout in the eastern direction. The Ukrainian Dragon drone is an unmanned aerial vehicle equipped with thermite, a chemical mixture that burns at temperatures around 2,000 degrees Celsius. Designed to target enemy positions, these drones fly over trenches and bunkers, releasing molten metal to destroy equipment. Traditional values of Russia. Nothing unusual, it's just that in one of the Rostov schools, children at a New Year's party were dancing in a circle to a wonderful song. A little Christmas tree was born in the forest, but who gave birth to it? 4 drunk hedgehogs and Gina the crocodile. One of the drunk hedgehogs climbed onto the wires, 4 short circuits, and the hedgehog. The locals are outraged, the parents are shocked, and the hedgehog is in shock. Slovakia's Prime Minister Fico's statement about halting electricity supplies won't affect Ukraine, says Alexander Karchenko, director of the Energy Research Center. Ukraine can receive up to 2.1 gigawatts of electricity from the EU via Poland, Hungary, Slovakia, and Romania. If one country refuses, the other 3 can supply the necessary volume, he noted. Sanctions are hurting Russia. Sanctioned Russian LNG tanker Pioneer went on a 4-month worldwide journey from the Arctic in search of a buyer, but failed and unloaded the natural gas at a storage facility in Russian Kamchatka. And while oil prices are falling on the global market, the oil is at record high in Russia. Greece to send 24 Sea Sparrow missiles to Ukraine as part of its military aid package. These American-made short-range anti-aircraft weapons will bolster Ukraine's defense without compromising Greece's security in the Aegean. An Azerbaijan Airlines plane en route from Baku to Grozny on December 25, 2024, was shot down by Russia. Azerbaijani President Ilham Aliyev stated this during an interview. According to him, the final conclusions will be known after the analysis of the black boxes. At the same time, initial data indicate that the plane was subjected to external influence on the territory of Russia. The president clarified that the plane had been first disoriented by electronic warfare. At the same time, the tail section of the aircraft was seriously damaged as a result of ground fire. The pilots demonstrated professionalism and heroism by managing the out-of-control aircraft in various ways. Although, of course, the pilots were experienced pilots and knew that they would not be able to survive this emergency landing. Nevertheless, they showed maximum heroism to save the passengers. And thanks to this, there are survivors of the plane crash. It is thanks to this that part of the fuselage did not burn. And it is thanks to this that today we can clearly say that the plane was shot down by Russia. This is a fact, and no one can deny this fact, Ilham Aliyev said. The president added that, according to preliminary data, the downing of the plane had been an accident and had not been a deliberate terrorist act. However, Russia must admit its guilt, publicly apologize to Azerbaijan, and provide a truthful explanation. However, in the first 3 days after the tragedy, the Russian side put forward only absurd versions of the incident. In this regard, Azerbaijan refused the proposal to transfer the investigation to the Interstate Aviation Committee, as this organization is mostly composed of Russian officials. Instead, Azerbaijan insisted on establishing an international working group. This commission included representatives of the aircraft manufacturer Embraer, relevant Brazilian institutions, as well as the representatives of Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, and Russia. The main tasks of the commission are to establish the circumstances of the shooting of the plane, the reasons for its destination to Aktau, and not to the nearest airports such as Minvodi or Makhachkala, as well as to find out whether this decision was objective.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.